Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going over how to add students in Seesaw into your Seesaw classroom. It's really simple, and I know there's a lot of questions about it, but don't fret, it's super simple. So we're going to go down here, down to the bottom of your screen, and we're going to go plus students, so add students. You're going to click that. And then it says add student's name. So if you can think of any student's name, you can do this. Or you can skip it and they can add themselves in here. But we're going to say Corey. Carrie. And then you're going to paste a list of students' names. And there they are. You can actually do more if you really want to, but I'm just going to do that for an example. Then you're going to click the check when you're all done. And then it'll bring you to here. And so it shows you what the student side is, and they're going to say that they are a student. And then you can have this on your board, or you can just go around and tell the students their code. But if you have it on the board, they can take a picture of the QR code, which is super simple, or they can just type in this text code, and then they will be able to find their name after they type in that text code, and they will click their name. Then you're going to say add students, and there they are. Here's Carrie and here's Corey. And then you're going to just say add student, and it should just, they will be there. When you get out of all this, they will be right into your classroom, and once they sign in, they will be able to start putting stuff into your classroom. It's that simple. Don't go up here because that is not for adding students. That's just their work and assignments. But yeah, so that's how you add your students, and you can also add families, but add students is all we need today. Thanks, guys.